Hi, welcome to How To with Jenny. Today we're looking at a new microphone. So we take a lot of videos all over the place on holiday, out visiting different sites and different places in Scotland, and also in the house. So our sound hasn't been the greatest, so we're going to upgrade, and we bought this. So this is the DJI Mic 2. So I'm going to do a quick unboxing and just show you how to pair it with a phone, hopefully if we can work it out. So we're just going to see, is it really worth buying and does it work well? So we bought this from Amazon, and at the moment it was £89, which isn't cheap, but we're really hoping that this is going to give us a lot more clarity when we're recording, and we're going to Bluetooth it either to our phone, our GoPro, or whatever we're actually going to be using at the time. So this is just a wee reminder of what is actually in the box. So you do get the transmitter, they call it, which is the microphone, and then you get a charging cable, C-type. You get the wind screen, and that's really good for cutting out the extra wind noise. You get a carrying pouch, and you get a magnetic clip. So it should come with a clip and also a magnet. Amazon UK also has another option which comes in pearl white. So just see the box just comes in one of these standard boxes, so nice and sturdy, and Amazon, it wouldn't go through your letterbox, I don't think. The girl did knock the door, but I think you would have to make sure that you were in to collect it or get it delivered to your safe place if it was Amazon or the company itself. So this is genuinely the first time we've opened it. So it comes in a lovely little package, and I'm just going to open it up just now. So just a wee sticky packet. And here we are. So it's got the DJI symbol on it, and it's kind of like a sort of plasticky, sort of fake leather sort of feel pouch. Very small, very lightweight. I mean, there's literally no weight to that at all. I don't know what the official weight is, but it's literally, I would say, sort of like 20 grams or something. Very, very light. So it doesn't actually open all the way around. It just opens like to the corner here, which for me is a bit strange. So there's two little compartments inside, and you can just unzip them. So I've never had a thing like this that just didn't open properly, so that's really odd. There's a silica gel, we'll just get rid of that, and we'll just see what's in here. Oh wow, I'm really shocked at how small it is. It's absolutely tiny. Do you know, I've seen lots of videos, and we did watch a lot of videos just to decide whether we're going to go ahead with this, and in all the videos and even the pictures, everything, it just looks really like large, but it is absolutely minute. So really tiny, and it does have this fantastic feature where you can actually see the workings of it, and I don't know if you're going to be able to catch that, but you can see like the actual chips inside, which is really funky and really nice feel. Little tiny buttons on the side. So it does have a clip. It comes with a clip as standard. Now I think that's quite a tight clip. I don't want it to not focus, but that's your tight clip there. And then this is your magnet. So wow, it's a tight magnet because it does have to work through your clothes. So I'm just trying to see if I can actually move that off. Yep, that's it off now. So it's super tight and really tiny. I mean, that's like, oh, it's just over a centimetre square, very slim. And here's the back here clip. So I say I'm literally amazed at how small it actually comes up. And I say that's a great magnet. You can hear it click on. So that's going to be really good. As I say, it has to be tight because it has to work through your clothes. Okay, so we'll see what else is in. It does open. It does open right round. It's just so well made that you can't even see where the zip is. Okay, right, so now we're wide open, which is much better. I'm a bit confused. So the next thing I've got in here, oh, it's the wee muffler. So that's really cute. Again, really well made packaging, really tight. So the normal ones that you used to get with simple microphones at the start of people making microphones is, oh, it's so cute, it's really fluffy. They used to just like slide on, but this has actually got like a proper clip. So I don't know if you can see that there, just move that around. So it's got a little pole, and that's just going to actually, it clips into the top, and then it's got the sort of microphone sort of like the wee sort of slots, just so the sound comes through. It's super soft, extra cute. So that's really good, and it's not going to fall off. That's what other people said, is it's really good because it actually does clip in. So I'm just going to set that to the side. So then into the last pouch here, and that's your USB cable. Okay, so I'm going to try and just turn it on. So there's a little tiny button just at the side, and that is the on-off switch. So it says that you press it for 3 seconds. So go 1, 2, 3, and it is on. So it's flashing blue already. So there are different colours, and you want it to be flashing blue, and that says that slow flashing, and then you press the link button until it flashes fast. So there's a link button up above, and it literally looks like the links of a chain. So you want to press that until it fast flashes. Sorry. So that's it, flashing fast. You can just see that. And now it's ready to pair. So I'm going to pop that down, and I've got Samsung Galaxy phone. And I put the Bluetooth on, and I'm going to just scan that and just see if it's going to just pair up with it. Available devices, and it's up here. So that's it there. So that's the request to pair. So we're just going to say yes. And I think that's it, just already in. So that's great. Fabulous. So that was really fast. So that's it, paired on to the phone. And we're just going to go away and try and see how it works. And we'll be back in 1 second to show you how it works outside. So we have been outside, and we have tried to pair with our phones, and neither phone will pair. So my husband's phone is the latest phone that we've got in the house, and that's a Samsung Galaxy A55, and it does not have the option to change the mic over to be a Bluetooth mic. So that's good to know. So that was a fairly recent phone, and it's quite expensive. So it's good to know that not all phones have it. So the way to find out is when you go into actually your pro video mode, there will be an option that says mic, and you can change over to a Bluetooth mic. So if you do not have that option, then you will need to get the connector adapter, which we haven't bought, and that's quite expensive. So I'm now going to go across the room and see what you think about this sound. So I've set my webcam to film what's happening, but I've set the sound to come with this microphone. So this is me right across the room, so that's about 15 feet away now. So you can just see what the sound's like. Is it nice and clear? Is there any background noise? I've got the windshield on, so we can see if that makes a difference, and but right up to my face, so it might actually be quite loud. So we'll just see. So I played it back, and obviously it was quite loud because I did have it right up to my face. But the sound is really good, and we managed to go right to the back of the room. So obviously this is paired to the desktop. I can't try with a phone yet because neither of us have got that connection, but I think it is really good. So I would say that if you wanted to try it, it's a really good option. And we are going to do some more videos. We want to pair it with a GoPro 13, and there's some varying ideas as to whether it will work with that or not. But we will give you a video and tell you how we got on with that. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.